Welcome back, Diamond Auto Parts guests. I am Gabe Argel and I'm here to show you a 2019 Chevy Trax with 499 original miles on it. As you can see, on the passenger side, there's only two doors that you need to fix, and then the airbags. So if you look in here, it's got the 499 original miles on it. All the electronics and everything work. I'll put it in reverse here and I'll show you a nice benefit of this is having the rear view camera and also being able for the lanes to turn while you are turning. Really nice rear view camera. Everything works. Also has got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So I'll show you here. If you connect your phone to Bluetooth, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, all that works. 4G LTE in the interior. Really nice rebuilder for us. A lot of people have been looking at it. It's going to sell quick, so I would recommend getting in here and taking a look at it as soon as possible because it will not be here much longer.